Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome back to another quick and helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into something super important for all you PayPal users out there. How to change your PayPal debit card PIN in 2025. Whether you're updating for security reasons or just want a fresh start, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother changing your PIN? Well, in an era of increasing digital threats, keeping your financial info secure is crucial. A strong, updated PIN can help protect your hard-earned money from unauthorized access. Plus, PayPal has made the process straightforward, especially with their 2025 updates that emphasize user-friendly security features. To get started, make sure you have the PayPal app installed on your smartphone or access to the website on your computer. Open the app and log in with your PayPal credentials. If you're on the website, head to the login page and enter your details securely. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet or Account section. It's usually at the bottom of the app or in the main menu on the website. Here, you'll see your linked cards. Select your PayPal debit card from the list. Now, look for the Security or Settings option related to that card. This is where the magic happens. Click on Change PIN. PayPal might prompt you to verify your identity first, like with a fingerprint, Face ID, or a one-time code sent to your phone. Once verified, you'll be asked to enter your new 4 to 6-digit PIN. Make it something memorable but not obvious, like your birth date. Then, confirm it by re-entering the same PIN. After that, PayPal will process the change, which usually takes just a few seconds. You'll get a confirmation message on screen and possibly via email. And voila! You're all set. Remember, if you ever forget your new PIN, you can reset it through the same process or contact PayPal support. A quick tip: always change your PIN in a secure environment, like at home, and avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks. This simple habit can go a long way in safeguarding your accounts. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.